Class 11, let us continue the chapter. Exercise 8 we are doing now. Sum number 3, 1 and 2 done. This is 5 marks question. That means long answer type questions. Now 1 minus 2 sine theta. 1 minus 2 sine theta minus 2 cos theta plus cot theta is equal to 0. Restriction is there, 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. Okay. Now how to solve it? 1 minus 2 sine theta minus 2 cos theta one minus 2 sine theta minus 2 cos theta plus cot theta we can write as cos theta by sine theta is equal to 0. Now do the LCM. So it is coming sine theta minus 2 sine square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. Now we will factorize and we will form the factors. Sine theta and 2 sine square theta, we can take common sine theta and we will get 1 minus 2 sine theta. And here also we can take common 1 minus 2. We can take one factor as 1 minus 2 sine theta, and as it is cos theta. So right here cos theta, it is plus cos theta plus minus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 0. Yes, so it is coming sine theta plus cos theta into 1 minus 2 sine theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. So either we will get sine theta plus cos theta equal to 0, or we can get 1 minus 2 sine theta equals to 0. Now sine theta plus cos theta equal to 0, that means we can write this as sine theta equals to minus cos theta. So sine theta by cos theta, that means tan theta is equal to, we can write tan theta is minus 1. Okay, so tan theta equals to minus 1, and 1 we know tan pi by 4. So minus tan pi by 4, or we can write tan minus pi by 4. Okay, now theta is tan theta equals to tan alpha means theta equals to n pi plus alpha. So plus alpha means minus pi by 4. So better to write minus pi by 4. Okay, where n belongs to z integer. Okay, now when n is equal to 1, n is equal to 0, we cannot take, as it is the negative angle we will get, but theta is more than 0, so we cannot take the negative angle. Therefore, when n is equal to 1, we will start with n is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to pi minus pi by 4, so 4 pi minus pi, that gives us 3 pi by 4. Yes, this value we can take. Now, when n is equal to 2, therefore, theta is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 4. 4 2s are 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 4. Done. Next values, it will exceed this value, so we cannot take the next value. So next is 2 sine theta is equal to 1, or we can write sine theta is equal to half. Half means we know sine pi by 6. Okay, so sine theta equals to sine alpha means theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n alpha means pi by 6. Okay. Now n is equal to 0, we will write here 0, and this will be 0, and minus 1 whole to the power 0, that is again 1. So it is coming only pi by 6. So when n is equal to 0, then theta is equal to pi by 6. When n is equal to 1, then theta is pi minus pi by 6. 6 pi means is coming 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Okay, so the required solutions are, what are the solutions? 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. These are the values. I think now it is clear to you. Okay, next sum. Let me rub the. What value of n we will choose, that will depend on the range given to you. Remember this. The range given to you, we cannot take the values more than 0 or less than pi as it is given, or if the values is given between theta and 2 pi, we cannot take the values more than 2 pi. That we have to remember. Next sum number 4. Tan x, this is very important sum and different type is also different. All tan x plus tan 2x, all in terms of tan. So tan 3x is equal to 0. Okay. Now see, we know tan 3x, we can write this as tan x plus 2x. Okay, we will, so tan a plus b, then we will apply that. So here what we will go do, tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x, already said tan a plus b. So it is coming tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, now this is tan x plus tan 2x. This is also tan x plus, from these two, if we select this as one term and this another term, so from these two terms we can take common tan x plus tan 2x. So from here we will get 1 plus 1 by 1 minus tan x tan 2x is equal to 0. Okay. So it is coming tan x plus tan 2x into 1 minus tan x tan 2x plus 1 by 1 minus tan x tan 2x is equal to 0. 1 plus 1, that gives us 2. And we can write tan x plus tan 2x into 2 minus tan x tan 2x is equal to 0. Denominated part, it will multiply by 0, so it will get it as 0. Okay, now this is again tan x plus tan 2x, keep it like this, and here 2 minus tan x, and instead of tan 2x we can write tan x plus tan x, that means 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. This much we can write. Okay, so it is coming tan x plus tan 2x into, so it is again 2 into 1 minus tan square x, so it is coming 2 minus 2 tan square x minus 2 times square x by 1 minus tan square x is equal to 0. So it is coming tan x plus tan 2x into 2 minus 4 tan square x is equal to 0. Now if you take common 2, so it is coming 1 minus 2 tan square x. No need to do, either this part equals to 0 or this part equal to 0. Therefore we can write tan x plus tan 2x equal to 0, or 2 minus 4 tan square x equals to 0. So from here what we can write? We can write tan 2x equals to minus tan x. Okay. Minus tan x, or we can write tan of minus x, that is tan 2x. Okay, so tan theta equals to tan alpha, that gives us theta equals to n pi plus alpha. So 2x will be n pi plus minus minus x. Therefore 2x plus x, 3x equals to only n pi. So x is equal to n pi by 3. This is one value. X is equal to n pi by 3, where n belongs to z. And here 4 tan square x, so it is coming 4 tan square x is equal to 2. So tan square x is equal to 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. So tan x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay, now tan x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 actually no such values of tan angle. So let us take, if we take, let tan, we have to equate this in terms of tan A, tan theta equals to tan alpha. So let us take tan alpha is equal to, let us take tan alpha is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So when tan x equals to plus minus, therefore we get tan x equal to plus minus tan alpha. That means tan plus minus alpha, that is equals to tan x. So tan theta equals to tan alpha means theta equals to n pi plus minus alpha. So x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Okay. Now where we will write where alpha is equal to, tan alpha is equal to, where tan alpha is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this will be the answer. This is one value, x is equal to 3 pi, n pi by 3, not 3 pi, this is n pi by 3. Another value x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where tan alpha equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so next sum coming with new video. Now student, listen, all sums already I have said it's not possible for me to do all the sums through video. Rest of the sums, next one more video I will make, but rest of the sums you will get through PDF. Just check the PDF, you will get the other sums. Thank you.